Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to access your CRA account. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your browser. Over here, type in Canada CR a login and press enter. After that, click on the first link from Canada Car, which is CR Assign in Services. Then over here select my account if it's for personal use. If it's for business, select my business. After that you will see different sign in options. Over here you can tap on sign in partner to log in using a partner account. After that you can also select CR assign in to use your user ID and password. Then enter your user ID and password and tap on the sign in button. After that, if you want to use a provincial partner, you can select that option as well. But usually, using your user ID and password is the recommended way. So that's basically how you can access your CR My account. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.